Let's start. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Ethereum and we are going to use some other charts as well. So आज की वीडियो थोड़ी स्पेशल होने वाली है क्योंकि मैं हिंदी में भी बात करूँ इंग्लिश में भी बात करूँगा बिकॉज इन प्रीवियस वीडियोस मैंने इंग्लिश में रखा था. सो लेट्स सी कैसा आता है रिस्पॉन्स बाय ऑडियंस. सो एज वी कैन सी लाइक हमने इथेरियम का चार्ट खोल रखा है एंड इथेरियम इज़ राइट नाउ मतलब ऑल टाइम हाई के पास ही है. तो हमें क्या दिखता है लाइक व्हाट वी कैन सी लाइक लेट मी ओपन माय ड्राइंग्स या. So there's a question people ask like where will Ethereum go like this market cycle, and like what do you think is the realistic price of Ethereum, and yeah, like different questions. But my answer to that question is nobody knows. Like मुझे भी नहीं पता क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. अगर मुझे पता होता तो of course I would be on humongous profits. But this is all about probability and like you have to take risk like if you think it is going to be on that way. So हम देखते हैं कि previous market cycles में क्या हुआ है ETH के साथ. like कहाँ इथेरियम जो हमारी 2021-22 वाली साइकिल थी वहाँ कहाँ पे इथेरियम हुआ था. इफ़ वी टेक फिबोनाची एक्सटेंशंस हमें पता चलता है कि अगर हम हाई से लो को फिब को करें एंड देन वी लाइक डू इट तो हमारा 1.414 पे हमारा फिब लेवल है जहाँ पे टॉप हुआ था इथेरियम. सो हम टेक्निकली वही करेंगे to make it like easy and think that कि ऐसे ही हो. One second. Yep. So हमारा fib level है 1.414 sorry at around $9,918. Let's say $10,000. So do I think $10,000 is practically possible? I am a bit dicey about it because मुझे लगता नहीं कि इथेरियम $10,000 जाएगा. I have personal bias to it because I think at $10,000 Ethereum would be like super risky, like really risky. So what I think Ethereum can do this market cycle is going about around $8,000. That would be much better, like much better and much comfortable place. I think Ethereum can go very easily. So technically, if you see from this all-time high to this all-time, so like 1.272, it's roughly around let's say 60%. I think Ethereum can do easily 60%, like from here to here. I think so 65% right now from the Ethereum price. And right now Ethereum is trading at around $4,683 plus or minus few dollars among exchanges. And yeah, तो इथेरियम बट मुझे लगता है इथेरियम में एक चीज़ अभी होने वाली है कि इथेरियम इज़ गोइंग टू टच लाइक यहाँ पे आएगा इथेरियम. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आएगा एंड लाइक इट विल माइट क्रॉस इट और माइट हैव अ विक. दिस टू थिंग्स विच आई एम लुकिंग. आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट इथेरियम डायरेक्टली क्रॉस कर देगा इसको राइट नाउ. मुझे नहीं लगता पर्सनली. So might like touch it and might have a wick above it then close down below. That's the possibility I think it's going to happen. And मुझे लगता है कि September time frame में there's going to be a little going downside because seasonality issue एक तो. और अगर हम previously जाएं like if we see one second after the drawings, अगर हम previously जाएं like Ethereum कब गया था लाइक डाउन इफ़ यू सी. तो इथेरियम गया था डाउन इन सितंबर ओनली आई थिंक. या सॉरी. सो दिस वाज द like 31 August and it went down around 36%. Seasonality issue before going like up here. And if you see over here it was 30 August. So technically both time ETH went around 36% over here, let's say 36, and 35%, roughly around 35-36% over here. और दोनों ही टाइम सितंबर में हुआ था ये. And let's see previous market cycle what happened with ETH. Oh, if you see that, like previous market cycle maybe ETH September में ही down गया था. If you take like from here to here, it was 48%. Okay. So what I think is like seasonality issue होगा Ethereum के साथ, and Ethereum एकदम से of course ही बात है cross नहीं करेगा all time highs को. I think it will go at least, if we take like let's say 20% from the all time high is roughly around like 20% would be like $3,900-$3,800, which is not so big I think for ETH to do. Like ETH can easily go down like 20%. And let's suppose 30%. 30% would be somewhere around like $3,400, $3,300, $3,400 plus minus few dollars. So I think Ethereum can do quite easily like 20 to 30% down, and I think it's quite healthy for the market to do that. And like a lot of people ask me, what do you think about the market cycle top? कब लगता है कि होगा top? मेरे हिसाब से जो मुझे लगता है according to like the dates, I think it's Q4 of 2025. But personally, if you ask me like what do you think, like what is the exact date or like exact week, which I think it's roughly around I think 20 October, like 20 October or like late October, early November is the timing when I think Bitcoin and Ethereum will top, and specifically Bitcoin, to be honest. Bitcoin will top at that point of time. This is what I think. And yeah, then वापस से वही वापस cycle होगी, and like you go to the bear market and do all these things, going 75-80% down, and that the things are going to be like kind of that way. And और क्या देख सकते हैं इस चार्ट में, फॉर एग्जांपल. एंड या इथेरियम ने 3 बार नहीं कर पाया क्रॉस $4,000 मार्क, लाइक 1, 2 and 3. 4th अटेम्प्ट में लोगों को लग रहा था नहीं कर पाएगा एंड इट विल गो डाउन. आई वाज आल्सो बिट नॉट सो श्योर अबाउट कि करेगा नहीं करेगा. बट इवेंचुअली इट डिड हैपन एंड इथेरियम लाइक शॉक्ड एवरीवन. बट आई थिंक इट्स द लाइक गुड टाइम टू डू, क्योंकि अब नहीं करेगा तो कब करेगा इथेरियम, बीइंग ऑनेस्ट. और आई थिंक इथेरियम, yeah, that's what I said, कि इथेरियम $8,000 जा सकता है quite easily. And what is left, I think it's pretty much this is the thing I want to talk about Ethereum. Yep. Thank you. And like I am not going to edit this video at all. It's going to be raw because editing takes a lot of time. And yeah, if you didn't like something or if you like something, please let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye.